Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a wallpaper with multiple picture on your iPhone 17 series. So when I press on, now change wallpaper one by one. Sam provide solution. So at first open your settings, scroll down and go to your wallpaper option. Press on add new wallpaper. As you can see, showing it to photo shuffle. Just press on and showing it to two different way. I'm just select the first option and select photo. Like I'm select this photo, this, in this. Okay, and press on right mark. Press on three dot. As you can see, showing it to more different way. So now select early, I'm just select on tap. Okay, and customize anything, press on add. Set as wallpaper. Okay, now successfully set up. When I'm one press, then change my wallpaper one by one. So that's it.